Welcome to the show, Sandra. Today we're diving into data engineering careers in 2025 and beyond.
Thanks, Gordon. Excited to chat about this crucial yet often misunderstood field.
So, let's start simple. What exactly is data engineering?
Data engineering is about building systems to collect, store, and process huge data volumes.
Kind of like creating the plumbing for data flow in companies.
Exactly. Without those pipelines, data scientists and analysts can't do their magic.
Speaking of roles, how does a data engineer differ from a data scientist or analyst?
Great question. Data engineers build and maintain infrastructure. Data scientists analyze data to create models, while analysts focus more on reports.
Is there overlap between these roles, or are they pretty distinct?
Overlap exists, but they have distinct skill sets and goals.
Interesting. What key skills should someone pursue for a data engineering career?
Proficiency in SQL, Python, ETL processes, and big data tools like Spark is essential.
You mentioned ETL. Can you break down what that means?
Sure, extract, transform, load. It's the process of moving data from sources to databases.
Sounds foundational. How about cloud platforms like Snowflake or Databricks?
They're vital. Snowflake is great for cloud data warehousing. Databricks shines in analytics with Spark.
Spark and distributed computing can sound technical. Could you give a simple explanation?
Spark lets you process massive data quickly by splitting work across many computers.
Got it. Now, for folks coming from ETL or a related background, how smooth is the transition to data engineering?
It's definitely doable. Building strong coding and cloud skills helps bridge the gap.
And what about interviews? Any tips to ace a data engineering job interview?
Focus on problem solving with SQL, understanding data structures, and system design.
Gotcha. Could you share a bit about your own journey into data engineering?
I started in software development, then gravitated towards data pipelines as projects grew. Learning on the job and curiosity drove me to master tools like Spark and Snowflake.
Sounds inspiring. For people unsure whether to pick data engineering, science, or analysis, what guidance do you offer?
Think about what excites you: building systems, analyzing data, or drawing insights for business. Also, consider skill preferences: programming heavy versus statistical modeling versus visualization.
On tools again, how about the role of AI and emerging tech in data engineering?
AI helps automate some tasks, but solid fundamentals are still key for building robust pipelines.
Makes sense. Any closing thoughts or advice for listeners aiming for this career?
Stay curious, keep coding, and explore cloud platforms. Practical projects help a lot. Be patient with learning. Data engineering blends many skills, but is very rewarding.
Fantastic insights, Sandra. We've covered what data engineers do, skills, tools, and career tips. To sum up, data engineers build data flow systems, require diverse technical skills, and play a vital role distinct from data scientists or analysts.
Exactly, Gordon. And with evolving tech, it's an exciting time to jump in.
Thanks so much for sharing your knowledge today. To our listeners, keep exploring data engineering. Subscribe to this channel, and in our next podcast we will share more resources. Best wishes to you all for your skill upgrades.